Hello, this is Mike of Nearly Enough Dice. This is the Kerbal Space Program. Right, I'm now thinking about how to launch my science base into space. So I've got everything in here under this enormous fairing. So that's the sky crane portion upside down and hooked into the actual base portion. It's upside down because, given the way the engines point outwards, the fairing has to go around that, and it's got less to do. It can do it at a lower rate than if I start off with it that way around. If I did the other way around, it's going to be I'm going to have to go, that fairing has to be much steeper, which is very bad for aerodynamics. And it's got this huge big body attached to it. So that's the transfer stage, and this is all the orbital stage. Big, 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 big. And this is as far back as I can't zoom back any further out. That's as far back as I can zoom. So I guess we're going to see how well this launches. I'll take a few moments to switch to launch mode. Don't know why this takes so long. I don't know what's going on while it's doing this, but having a bit of a think. So there you go. Looks like it's going to come up. Good, good, good. Now you'll notice that the nav ball is showing the ground because I have the sky crane portion upside down attached to the base. The probe core that is considered to be what is controlling this whole vessel is upside down, and therefore it thinks it's pointing into the ground, which is not really what I want. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to hope this works, I've actually been having trouble with this. I'm going to load up KOS, if I can actually open that up. And I've tagged our docking port and called it forward, and I think it's the one I think it's pointing the right way. So what I'm going to do, because I can't, it's inside the fairing, and I can't get into the fairing. So by using KOS, I've now got control of that part. I've set a variable called forward to refer to that part that is tagged forward. Control from to true, and that doesn't let me do that. Quickly check to make sure that I've written that correctly. Did I do that wrong? Callable function only. Ooh, that's how you do it. I thought you set the value, but no, you actually. There you go. Yeah, it looks like it's documentation seems to be incorrect, because it's one part of the documentation says you set the part control from flag to true. Oh, it's pointing. Oh, that's interesting. It's pointing. It's east. It's north and south are the wrong way, which means I'm gonna the nav ball's going to be revoiced. That's aggravating. However, I'm pointing up, which is the main thing. So I think what that means is that normally I launch pointing this way, but I'm going to want to launch pointing this way, so everything is pointing the way I think it should. Right, let's see what happens, eh? This is a ridiculously large object. Probably what I should have done is put a separate core somewhere around here. Now, things I don't know. I don't know if I have enough control. Alright, that's going where I want it. Oh, it's so wobbly. Brilliant. That's not going to cause any problems at all. Right, so I've got some Werner engines, which I'm going to hope is going to help me. Wow, I don't really want to know what my frames per second are at the minute. Oh, this is a lot wobblier than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to blame that thing. These adapters are always kind of bad for wobbliness. That seems to have calmed it down by telling it to go prograde as opposed to any old wear. That seems to have calmed it down somewhere, somewhat. Still very wobbly. Yeah, I think maybe if I could have grabbed something, maybe put a core in here or some other thing that I could use as a control from. That might have been like a good idea. Oh dearie me, eh? Oh, and my recording's frozen. Oh no, it's not. It's come back. It's come back. No, it's freezing again. This is obviously a lot of work for my poor computer. And I don't know how much of it is down to KSP, and I don't know how much of it is down to the recording software. This is a very big craft. It's got a lot of parts on it. My poor computer's not very happy. This is a very, very steep ascent. So wobbly. I think if this fails, I'm going to have to. I'm going to make a new one, and it's just going to be 3.5 all the way down. So I don't have that, which which I think will mitigate a lot of the wobbly nature of the craft. Oh, look at that, this is ridiculous. Going a fair bit south as well. Oh, that's probably a mistake that I just did. I thought I'd overturned. Gonna have to be cautious. I'm about to lose my first stage. I'm still pointing almost straight up. Now it's interestingly a lot less wobbly. Still quite well, okay. Still quite a bit wobbly, but I don't think it's as bad. Let's go to stability. You notice, yeah, stability just goes wonky almost immediately. Rather interestingly. Whoa. Try and pull ourselves over a bit. Do I have crew on this? I can't remember. Oh, look at, oh my goodness me. Oh no, we're falling apart. Who's crewing this thing? No, there's no crew on this. Right. I do believe it's back to the drawing board. Oh, where's the ship? I'm not actually going back to the ship, the actual bit. Wow. Well, we were getting into space, so there's that. Oh, that's okay. Where's the actual craft? Cannot switch vehicles while in atmosphere. Excellent, excellent. This is going brilliantly. I can imagine no better way for this to go. That's a good thing I didn't have anyone on this thing, really. Okay, note to self, do not deploy fairings while in atmosphere. Yeah. Um, yeah, let's go with that didn't work, shall we? Yeah, so I lost the engines. Do I have no ability to turn? I should have the ability to turn. I've got SAS all over the place. Not SAS. RCS. I've got RCS all over. Oh, okay. It's not letting me change anything. That's interesting. I want it. Okay. Without without saving and restarting, it's. Oh no, have I? No. I don't have control over this craft for some reason. Let's try. Ooh. Oh, I don't have any control. I can't even time warp. Ah, okay. Well, okay. I was thinking about not. Well, I can't revert the flight anyway. Yeah, that didn't go very well, all in all. I think we have to go back to the drawing board on that one. Now, which one of these is not? That's landed, allegedly. Why is that? How can that be landed? On the plus side, if it's truly glitched like this, I've got an excellent excuse for going back and. All right, something really weird's happened. Something decidedly odd has occurred here. Time is passing. It's not changed. It's not moving in any way, despite the fact that it makes no sense. Yep, it's all SAS. Oh, I can turn. RCS off. I see, right. RCS on. Well, okay, so I can do some things with KOS, but even that, I can't control anything. Can I put the panels on? So there's been some kind of massive glitch, is what's going on here. So I can put the solar panels on for all the good it does anybody. But I can't move the craft, and I don't have. Yeah, I can't. Normally, I should be able to right-click this, for example. And also, there's the fact that it's not moving; it's dangling in space. Let's recover the vessel. Oh, that is. I don't know what happened there. That went really weird. So I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board as it comes to the launcher. I think I'm going to be better off if I instead of having a 2.5 meter fairing, which then has to go around the which then has to go around the width of the sky cranes, kind of pointing out engines. If I can do, instead of just, if I go straight to the 3.5 or the 3 meter, whatever it is, go straight up, that's going to be a much better plan, I think, and then may well give me a more stable thing. That's all just going to crash. That's going to crash. There we go. That was that. That was very weird and exciting. So I hope you enjoyed watching that go horribly wrong. That was really weird. Yeah. So anyway, thanks very much for watching that, and I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know why I'm hitting that at all. Let's not do that. Oh, it's an interesting thing. I've got these contracts which I can't get rid of. I can't decline these. So I don't mind exploring Gilly, but I've got to get something back from Moho. Yeah. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. Find Neil F. Dice, neilfdice.com. We're also on Facebook and Twitter. And until next time, reach the stars, hopefully with a slightly less wobbly rocket.